I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist for Realtor.com, and here's what you need to know this week. What a start to the year we've seen. Although we're 2 weeks into 2021, we still have data from 2020 trickling in. December inflation data showed that price growth continues to fall short of the Fed's 2% target. However, with stimulus checks rolling out and the odds for additional stimulus improving due to political shifts, some have begun to speculate that prices may rise sooner than expected. This view has helped push 10-year bond rates up roughly 20 basis points since the end of 2020. It also has some wondering whether the Fed may hike rates sooner than expected. In a talk this week, Fed Chair Powell provided a different focus, noting that the economy remains well below full employment. And this week's jobless claims figures emphasize that point. 965,000 individuals filed an initial jobless claim this week. This was a notable jump, making it the biggest weekly number we've seen since late August. Turning to real estate, the rise in interest rates hit mortgage markets, pushing rates up to 2.79%, the highest they've been since mid-November. Although mortgage rates rose, they're still low enough to continue to create a good opportunity for home buyers. And buyers are out trying to take advantage. With a still low number of homes for sale, this means more price increases and fast-selling homes, though the time on market gap is shrinking. An early year decline in new listing growth after a relatively stronger finish to 2020 is something we're watching closely. New listings are vital in a low for sale inventory environment. To take a step back and consider the big picture, for the year as a whole, our 2021 outlook calls for existing home sales to rise 7% over 2020, which would put them at an annual tally of roughly 5.9 million. This means that while we expect to see a step down from the late 2020 pace of well more than 6 million sales, the sales tempo in 2021 will remain brisk. You'll find our complete 2021 housing and economic forecast, along with other insights and data for download at Realtor.com/research. And you can follow us on Twitter for real-time updates. It's going to be an interesting year. My team and I will continue to keep you up to date.